Exercise 13.3, question number 5th. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder कभी आप क्या है मैरिज पार्टी में जाते हो तो उसमें क्या होता है आइसक्रीम के लिए आप आइसक्रीम खाते हो वहां पे नहीं खाते
खाते हैं सर।
अच्छा
How to solve this question?
वेट radius of a container shaped like a circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter. Radius is 6 centimeter.
Yeah.
Height is 15 centimeter. Okay. Is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cone of height 12 centimeter. Height of cone is 12 centimeter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And diameter is 6 centimeter. Radius is 3. Okay. Having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cone which can be filled with ice cream. So we will find the volume of one ice cream cone. Volume of one ice cream cone. Volume of one ice cream cone. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Okay. Volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h and volume of hemisphere 2/3 pi r cube. Okay. Now pi r square by 3 is common. S plus 2r. Okay. Pi as it is. Don't put the value of pi. Radius is 3. 3 into 3 upon 3. Height is height of 12 plus 2 into 3. Am I right or wrong? 3 pi 12 plus 6. 18 3s are 54 pi centimeter cube. 54 pi centimeter cube is the volume of one ice cream cone. Okay. Now volume of cylinder is equal to volume of an ice cream cone. हमें नहीं पता कितनी आइसक्रीम कोन भरी जाएगी इससे. वॉल्यूम ऑफ एन आइसक्रीम कोन. ओके. वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर इज पाई आर स्क्वायर h and volume of an ice cream cone n into 54 pi. Pi to pi cancel out. Radius of Slender is 6 into 6.
6 centimeter.
And height is
12.
15.
15.
15. N into 54.
It is equals to n into 54.
6 into 6 into 15 divided by 54. That is n. Okay. Now 6 nines are
6 and 54 cancel now.
6 nines are 54. 3 threes are 9. 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3. 3 fives are 10. 5 twos are 10. N is equal to 10. Number of ice cream cone can be filled 10. Okay. Number of ice cream cone. Cones filled. How much? 10. 10 ice cream cone can be filled. Question number 6. How many silver coins 1.75 centimeter in diameter and of thickness 2 mm must be melted to form a cuboid of dimension 1.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter? अगर हम एक क्यूबॉइड है उसको मेल्ट करते हैं, ठीक है, तो हम क्या है, एक डायमेंशन दे रखा है कॉइन का, उस क्यूबॉइड से हाउ मेनी सिलेंड्रिकल कॉइन्स कैन बी फॉर्म, हाउ मेनी सिलेंड्रिकल कॉइन्स कैन बी फॉर्म. ओके, हाउ मेनी सिल्वर कॉइन्स, one silver coins I am taking here, cylindrical coins, one silver coins, the form of cylinder. Okay. If we will put the coins on the top, that we will give the shape of cylinder. Okay. Yes. And radius will be 1.75 divided by 2. 1.75 divided by 2. 0, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 40, 2 5s are 10. 0.875. Okay, that is centimeter. And thickness, height is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm.
2 mm is equal to 0.26.
Okay, now 2 mm, in 2 mm how many centimeter? Please tell me.
0.2.
0.2.
2 divided by 10.
Yes.
Centimeter, sir.
Very good. Okay. Yes. 2 by 10 centimeter, that is 0.2 centimeter. Okay. And a cuboid.
Yes, sir.
And a cuboid whose dimensions are given. Yes, length is 5.5. Length is 10 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter length. Width is 5.5 and height is 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Yes. And cylindrical. वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड, वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड, ओके, वॉल्यूम ऑफ एन सिलेंड्रिकल पॉइंट n into pi r square h, n into pi r square h, L into B into H, okay, and the value of pi is 22/7. Here radius is 0.875, 0.875, height is 0.2, your length is 10, 5.5 into 3.5, okay.
Sir, 0.8757 से divisible है.
1875 divided by 1000, 2 by 10, 10 into 55 by 10, 35 by 10, okay. This 10 to cancel with this 10, this 10, this 10 is cancelled with this 10, और क्या हुआ है? This 10 is cancelled with this 10, okay. Now n, we have to find out the value of n. N is equal to 55, 35, 7 into 1000 into 1000 divided by 22 into 875, 875 into 2. Am I right or wrong? Solve it.
Yes.
11 2s are 22, 11 5s are 55. Okay. Two ones are 2, 2 500, 2 say 250. Five ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 5 fives are 25. 25 sevens are 175, 25 tens are 250. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Okay. 5 sevens are 35, 5 to 175. 25 sevens are 175, 25 40 and 7 ones are 7. N is equal to 400. 10 into 40, n is equal to 400. So समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? Can you do in homework? Question number 7. Can you do in homework?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Question number 8. Water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 cm of standing water is needed? Listen to me. एक आपके पास क्या है, क्यूबॉइडल शेप में क्या है, एक कैनाल है, एक कैनाल है यहाँ पे, दैट इज द फॉर्म ऑफ क्यूबॉइडल। ठीक है, ये कैनाल है, हम सपोज करते हैं ये क्या है, किस शेप में है, क्यूबॉइडल शेप में, इसमें से वाटर फ्लो कर रहा है। ओके, यहां पे क्या है, इसकी जो विड्थ दे रखी है, विड्थ जो विड्थ दे रखी है इसकी, ये आपके पास क्या है, 6 मीटर, ब्रेथ इज 6 मीटर एंड डेप्थ इज, डेप्थ इसकी डेप्थ कितनी है, 1.5 मीटर। और जो लेंथ है, जो लेंथ ऑफ फ्लोइंग वाटर है, ये लेंथ ऑफ फ्लोइंग वाटर 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर?
In 1 hour, it travels 10 kilometers.
हाँ, in 1 hour it 10 kilometer. Length of flowing water, length of flowing water in 60 minutes. Length of flowing water, length of flowing water in 60 minutes. Length of flowing water in 60 minutes. That is 10 kilometer.
Service people.
10 kilometer.
Yes.
10,000 meter. Now we have to find out length of flowing water in 30 minutes. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes? Length of flowing water in 30 minutes. Length of flowing water in 1 minute. Length of flowing water in 1 minute. Water in 1 minute. How can you find out? 10,000 divided by 60 and length of flowing water in 30 minutes. What will you do?
10,000 upon 60 into 30.
In 30 minutes.
10,000 upon 60 into 30.
10,000 divided by 60 into 30.
32 is 60 and 2 5,000.
5,000 meter. 5,000 meter.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Volume of flowing water through canal in 30 minutes. Volume of flowing water through canal,
Is 5,000.
through canal in 30 minutes. How can you find out? L into B into H.
Yes, sir.
L into B into H. And in 30 minutes, 5,000 meter water can be flow. Breadth is
1.5.
6. Breadth is 6 and height is 1.5 meter cube. 5,000 into 650 is a 9.0 meter cube. 45,000 meter cube water can be flow through canal in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes. Okay. Now this water is going into the field. This water in 30 minutes, this water 45,000 meter cube water is going into the field, and in the field 8 centimeter standing water is required. 8 centimeter standing water is required in the field. Then how much area will it irrigate? Area we have to find out. Area of the field we have to find out. Height of standing water in the field. Height of
water cannot stand by the height.
yes, height of standing water in the field. In the field. 8 centimeter. Centimeter will change into meter because it is meter cube. 8 by 100 meter. Okay. If volume is given, height is given, we have to find out the area. If volume is divided by height, area will be found out. Okay.
Yes.
Because volume is 3 dimension and it will divide into height, it will become 2 dimension and 2 dimension is area. L into B into H.
Yes.
Okay. Now we will divide it by height, area will be found out.
Area into height.
Yes. Okay. Area will irrigate in 30 minutes. Irrigate in 30 minutes.
What is the
45,000
165?
divided by 8 by 100 meter square. 45,000 100 divided by 8 meter square. 4 to the 8, 4 to 25. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 5 the 10, 0 0. Meter square. Okay. Now 0 0. 25 5 is 125. 12 25 is 2 is 50 and 12 62. 6 56 meter square. Okay. In 1 hectare 10,000 meter square. Okay. Now it is divided by 10,000. 10,000. Hectare.
So 56.25 hectare.
56.25 hectare. Very good. 56.25 hectare. This area will irrigate in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Read fast.
Dance.
It is a canal. A farmer connects a pipe to this canal. And water is flowing from this canal. Okay. And internal diameter radius is 10 centimeter. We'll convert into meter. 10 upon 100 meter. It becomes 1 by 10 meter. Okay. Radius of cylindrical pipe is 1 by 10 meter. From a canal into a cylindrical tank. अब ये वाटर क्या है, इस पाइप के थ्रू किसमें जा रहा है, सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक में जा रहा है. सिंक मत कर जाना, जब सिंक कर जाओ बहुत वाटर फ्लो हो रहा है यहाँ पे, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे क्या है, into a cylindrical tank in her field which is 10 meter in diameter, radius is 5 meter, height is 2 meter. Okay, if water flows through pipe at the rate of 3 किलोमीटर पर आवर, अब इस पाइप से वाटर फ्लो कर रहा है 3 किलोमीटर पर आवर, इट मींस 3000 मीटर इन 60 मिनट्स, 60 मिनट्स, 3000 मीटर इन 60 मिनट्स. How much time will that tank taken to fill the, अब ये क्या है, इस टैंक को भरने में कितना टाइम लगेगा. आपके पास डायमेंशन दे रखा है, सिलेंडर है, उसकी रेडियस 5 मीटर है, हाइट 2 मीटर है. एक सिलेंड्रिकल पाइप है, उसकी रेडियस 1/10 मीटर है और वाटर फ्लो कर रहा है उसके अंदर 3000 मीटर पर 60 मिनट्स. ओके, 60 मिनट्स. वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर फ्लोज थ्रू cylindrical pipe in a 60 minutes, and cylindrical pipe pi r square h, pipe radius is 1/10 into 1/10 and height is 3000 मीटर. समझ में आ रहा सभी को? That is meter cube. 35 मीटर क्यूब. 60 मिनट्स के अंदर 35 मीटर क्यूब वाटर क्या है, सिलेंड्रिकल पाइप से फ्लो कर रहा है. 60 मिनट्स में सिलेंड्रिकल पाइप से 35 मीटर क्यूब वाटर फ्लोज थ्रू द सिलेंड्रिकल पाइप in 60 minutes. Any doubt, any problem? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
कहाँ पहुँच गए?
Yes, sir.
No problem? Now we'll find out the volume of cylinder, because we have to fill the cylindrical tank. If the volume of cylindrical tank is 35, that will be filled in 60 minutes. Okay. Now check what is the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. Pi r square h. Okay. Pi radius 5, height is 2. Radius 5 into 5 and height is 2 meter cube. That is 55 meter cube. Volume of a cylindrical tank. भाई अगर 35 अगर यहाँ पे होता तो 60 मिनट्स लगती, अगर 55 है वॉल्यूम तो 60 मिनट से भी ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा इसमें. ओके, time taken to fill cylindrical tank. 35 को भरने में टाइम लगता है 60 मिनट्स. ओके, 60 बाई 35 और 55 को भरने में कितना लगेगा? इंटू 55. 5 to 5 cancel out. 31 the 30, 32 the 60, 100 minutes. It means 1 hour 40 minutes.